Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Mackenzie Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something very exciting. Today I'm going to be trying out some new techniques. I'm going to be dabbling into some quilting. I want to make this bag, but I want to make it like Mardi Gras edition. So I have some Mardi Gras materials, but they're all scrap. So I want to see how I can combine them and make them into something cute. So stage one is all the cutting. Then we're going to sew some things together, and then we're going to start assembling the bag and making the ruffle. But as you can see, I'm already in my little Mardi Gras attire. This is a Mardi Gras shirt I made last year. I do have a little vlog on me making this shirt. Today was my first Mardi Gras parade and I loved it. It was amazing. The weather wasn't bad. It was a little chilly, but the sun was out and it was beautiful, and the parade was really long, which is a good thing. So let's just hop into this video. I'm so excited. Let me know which is your favorite, sewing or crochet, and let's just hop right into it.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him, I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm
go by far. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation. I had to upgrade the title. It's gonna be trading faith. It's gonna take you trading where you put your faith. And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing for people, is take our trust out of what's gotten us here and now trade it for the presence of what God wants to do in our life. Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise? Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading.
Alright y'all, so I just I just ironed on my interfacing, mid-weight interfacing. So basically the interfacing just makes it a little bit more stiff because these are very lightweight fabrics. So I like the consistency of it now. Since I am making a bag, I want to have some type of substance to it. And I also put the interfacing on the back of my purple. I did decide to go with the shiny side of the purple. So right now I am not going to sew these sides together. I am going to work on my ruffle, making sure my ruffle is perfect because I do not want to forget to put the ruffle in between these two sections, because if I forget, I'm going to be very upset. You want to make sure that the ruffle is the exact length of the perimeter of the material. So I'm just going to continue to like pull the threads how I need to, and then I'm going to pin the ruffle inside. Yeah, that's what we're going to go for. Make sure all my fleur-de-lis are pointing upward. I have this positioned the way I'm going to need it positioned, but right now I'm just going to continue to mess with my ruffle, and then I'm going to pin this in, and I'm going to come back when it is time to sew it. I know I do want to start this a little bit underneath. You don't want to put it like too far at the top because this is like going to fold down over my lining, which is right here. I already sewed together the bag lining already, so we're going to put that in once the ruffle is sewn in and stuff, and it's just going to sit right inside the bag. And then I'm probably going to round out the edges. It's just going to be so cute. So let me do that, and then I'm going to come back.
Surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of, oh.
wrinkles grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need him each morning. I have come to know the peace that he bestows deep down.
Alright y'all, so the moment we have all been waiting for, this bag is officially finished, and it's literally one of the best well-made sewing items that I've made in a very long time. Let me just say that. Like, let's get into it. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing how cute this is? Okay, so it's like party in the front and then business in the back. Okay, I love that I did two different things with this bag because I don't like walking around all the time with like a Mardi Gras themed item. I love that on the back of this bag it's just a normal, cute, so girly, so frilly bag. Now with this, I put in so much work into the details, and I did like a lot of finishing. So my seams for the handles are in the inside. Everything is properly interfaced. I used the fusible mid-weight interfacing. I feel like when I make another one of these bags, I want to use like something with a little bit more fluff to it, but I love how stiff the bag is instead of it being all flimsy and not having any substance to it. But I think next time I will change up my interfacing just a bit. I love how the ruffles came out. I love that the ruffles and the handles are the exact same. I love the details that I put into the quilting aspects of this bag. I will have like some close-up footage. I changed the thread color for each different section, which if you know me, you know that's just amazing because back in the day I did not used to do any finishing work, but just paying attention to the small details. I'm very proud of myself. This bow was not hard to make at all. There's a little TikTok that I follow of this woman showing you how to tie a bow, and now that she's taught me, I've just been tying a bow on everything. I feel like the bow really adds to it. The inside of the bag is fully lined, and once again you cannot see the stitching or anything. I didn't like sew it down because I like when you can like empty out a purse like this. It's sewn down but the lining isn't completely sewn in it or anything, and it's just really sturdy, very cute. I definitely want to make like a denim version. It's just going to be so fabulous. You're definitely going to be seeing me with these ruffles again because it's just too cute. I love that I went with the shiny satin. It does offer a little bit to the bag. I love the direction that I chose to put the quilted sections in. Like, you can't even tell that each section is its own little triangle. Like, it's very well made and all the points are lining up with each other. This is the crochet hat I made. It was made with the exact same colors of the granny square bucket hat tutorial, so definitely let me know if you guys want a tutorial on this granny stitch bucket hat. But they go so well together. Like, I'm going to be giving you guys some more footage of this, but it's just so cute. They go so well together. It's the perfect little Mardi Gras collection. You can't tell me you wouldn't wear this to your favorite parade because it's just so cute. And even the hat has a little bit of color changing going on. As you can see, the last row goes from purple to green, and it's just so Mardi Gras. Okay, it's so Mardi Gras. I love it. I'm gonna be wearing this tote bag all the time. The only thing that I would do differently is like add a little snap right here just so it can close, because like I said, if I wear this bag to Mardi Gras, I would basically keep like keys, water. I wouldn't necessarily want to keep my phone in it because it is an open bag, so anybody could just go in and like snatch it out. When I'm at parades, I like to bring snacks, water, maybe a little book. So all this will be coming with me to the parade. I'm definitely going to be taking some pictures in this bag. I'm so obsessed. This bag has me very excited for what I will be sewing this year. Like, God has really been blessing me and giving me the patience and giving me the know-how to execute things like this without even a pattern. I really just went off the picture and I was able to make something so beautiful. So I cannot wait to continue my sewing, my crocheting, and my crafting journey with you guys. All of this stuff is in the making. That's why I call this series my in the making vlogs. Go ahead and make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss out on anything that I create or do. Like, if you guys like my puff, I do have a tutorial on this puff. It's coming out or it's already out, so make sure you are subscribed so you see the hair, the face, the fashion, the crocheting, the sewing, the cooking. All of that is what we do on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm so glad that you're here. Leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this bag. And let me know, would you make something like this? I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in my next video.